Should I speak in English or Hindi or mix? What suits you?
Yes, simple English is better, sir.
Yes, sir.
English. Thank you so much, sir.
Fine, fine. Thank you so much. I mean, English is fine. Okay. First of all, I mean, I am very happy and delighted to be with all of you. And I apologize for the last time, but no worries. We'll cover it up this time, right? So, shall I begin? I mean, can I start?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Please start.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you. I welcome all of you, and it is my pleasure to share some of my experiences with all of you. As you said, training, I don't think I will be doing any training, but what I will be doing is I will be sharing my experiences with you, right? Uh, I joined this industry in 1998, to be precise, April 1998. So if you see, I mean, I am a veteran of 22 and a half years in this industry. It's more than 22 and a half years I've been in this business full time. So what I'll do today is I'll share my experiences with you, as you guys said that I should speak on the topic of becoming a leader, and I mean, how to create the leadership, which is a very, very vital and important part of this business. So I'll be touching that, and I'll be teaching you today just through my experiences. How did I build my leaders? What did I do the particular activities so that so many leaders all across the country, I was able to build it up. So that I'll do with you. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Very fine, sir.
Thank you. Right. Okay. See, first of all, what we need to understand is from outside, this business looks like it is a business of products. It is a business of joining somebody, making join somebody the team, and generating PV, BV. Yes, they all are part of our business. But one thing you need to understand is this business is all about two things. First of all, becoming a business builder, number one. And number two is making the business builders. This is what this business is. Now, let me explain you what a business builder is. See, business builder is doing the activities which builds up the business, whether it is doing a CNT, whether it is doing a product training, whether it is doing some leadership training, whether it is doing some VIP Vestige Initiative program or some other boot camp, as you just mentioned that you guys have been doing. So all the activities which builds up the business, right? That is what a business builder does. Now, this business comes in two stages. First, becoming a business builder by yourself, and second, building as much business builders possible in your team. That is what actually this business is all about. Now, so many people, I mean, the basic mistake what they do is they keep on working for their own downline, or they keep on working for generating only the PVBV. See, you need to understand one thing. PV is a byproduct. Like you eat food, automatically your stomach gets filled. Yes or no? Because that is the byproduct of eating the food. Similarly, if you build the business builders, the BVPV will be generated automatically. This is what I want you to understand. The entire team should understand this point. Now, you should not focus only on BVPV. Just focus on first building yourself, becoming a business builder, and then making the business builder. Now, the mistake what people do, if they sign up somebody, even after 6 months or 7 months, they are showing the plan on that guy's behalf. That is a mistake. Or they feel that if they will show the plan, I mean, the more and more people can sign up. Right? That is, these are the few basic mistakes I see people doing day in and day out in this business, and then their business cannot reach the great heights, and they are not able to achieve the great things what actually they want to. So what this business is all about, this business is all about becoming a leader or becoming a business leader, and then creating the leaders, creating the developing the business, the business developers or the business builders. Now, I'll share my experiences with you. Now, in 2008, when I started working in Vestige, initially I built Delhi, where I live, the north part of India. And then I traveled to Odisha to build that state. So Mr. Sudarshan Mohanty, the late Sudarshan Mohanty was my colleague in my earlier company. So when I signed him up, initially what used to happen, I used to travel from Delhi to Odisha. I used to stay there for 2, 3, 4 days to build up the business. Initially, all the CNT I was doing on my own, right? First 2 months. Then after my CNT, he used to, summarize in his own language, which is the Odia, to his own people. Perfectly fine. Now, after 2 months, I told him, boss, now you have seen my more than 15, 20 meetings. Now what will happen is, we will do half meeting. That is, I will open up the meeting, I will start up the things, I will present the company profile, I will present the product, but the marketing plan, you need to do it. You need to share the stage with me. He said, no, sir, I cannot do it. I said, why you can't do it? I have seen you explaining your people in your own language. So I don't understand your language, but I'm sure you are not narrating them a story of a Bahubali or any other movie. So you are summarizing the business to them. So we need to share the things. So that way I pushed him to do half meeting with me. So that is how I brought him onto the stage along with me. And then after some time, another 10, 15 days, I used to travel various cities in that state. So once there was a meeting in my hotel room, because at that point, there was not enough people for which we could hire a hall. So we used to do meeting in a hotel room. So I had a pretty big room, 15, 17 people could sit in there. So once morning 10 o'clock, there was a CNT. So there were 3, 4 distributors sitting. They have seen they've seen my 5, 7 meetings. So to one of them, I told them, in this meeting, we will do as a team. So they said, what does it mean? I said, see, you explain Noni, you explain Spirulina, you explain Flex, and you explain another product. So 4 guys, I gave 1 product each to every one of them. They said, no, we can't do it. I said, why? I mean, you have listened to me 5, 7 times. I'm telling you to explain just simple 1 product. What is the problem? They said, sir, suppose if we forget something. I said, like, then they gave me an example. Suppose you tell there are 10 points of spirulina. I said, yeah. What if we forget 5? I said, please remember, the guy whom you are explaining to doesn't know even 1. Even you explain 5 is very good for me. Don't worry about that. He said, sir, what if we make a mistake? I said, mistake means what? He said, sir, you tell that spirulina is very high in protein. I said, yeah. That you always educate us that it is 6 times carrying more protein than the egg. I said, yes. He said, sir, if suppose instead of 6 times we say 5 or 10, I said, doesn't matter. The message is conveyed that it is having more protein than the egg. Then why you worry about the 5 times or 8 times or 10 times? And first time nobody can remember. So don't worry about that. Just remember one thing, whatever you say, you need to say confidently. Because I learned from my experience, what you say is important, but how you say is also more important. Long time back, I went into a marriage. So I was looking for an address, the banquet hall address. I was carrying a card, marriage card. At that span of a time, there was no Google, no internet, hardly any mobile. So I asked a person, where will this address be? The guy looked at me and he said, I think it should be on the right side. I said, no, this guy is not confident, leave him. Then I asked another guy, where is this address? He told me, go straight, leave 4 signal, then take a left, and it will be on the left turn. And I went there. And guess what? It was opposite. The first guy was right, the second guy was wrong. The question is, why didn't I believe on the first guy and why did I believe on the second guy? The answer is very simple. The first guy was telling the truth, but he was not confident. The second guy was not telling the truth, but he was confident. So I told them there and then only one thing. Whatever you speak, I don't care. You just speak with confidence, rest, everything I will handle. So after that meeting, I went to them. I told them, congratulations, you have done great. You have done better than me when I did my first meeting. So I really appreciate you. Wonderful. Keep it up. After some time, there were few more people coming for the another meeting. So I gave them the same job. Now you do the same job, do the product with what you did last time, do it once more. They did it. After the meeting, I went again to them. I said, you did even a better job than the first time. Wonderful, keep it up. Right? I mean, great. I'm so proud of you. Then after some time, it was after 1 hour, there was a third meeting. Same strategy. By I mean, in that day, we did 6 to 7 meetings, and by the time the day was over, their confidence was on the, sky high. And in that day, I produced 4 to 5 more speakers ready. Understand one thing, guys, in this business, it's a very simple formula. The network will grow faster and stronger. That network which will be doing more and more activities, more and more CNT. Now, to do more and more CNT, what you need? You need to have more presenters. Now, the basic mistake what people do is they think, oh, I am Siddharth Singh. I can do the best CNT. What is Raju? What can he do? I can sign anybody. And this is the mistake. My job is not to sign anybody. My job is to train Subhaya. My job is to train Raju. My job is to train you, who the people who are working with me. Because I cannot work with you every day. I can work for you 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. In a year, how much? 15, 20 days. Now, common sense says 15 days of working, great working, will not produce that result what 365 days of average working will produce. So you need to understand that you need to make maximum and maximum. First, you need to be independent yourself, means you need to present the plan by yourself. And then second thing is, you need to duplicate this in your team. Now, majority of the people, they have a fear in their mind. Fear is, he's a new guy. If he will explain, he cannot explain. Wait. I am a leader. I will handle. You just watch me. You just watch me. And then what you're doing is, you're not developing somebody. Your main job is not to show the plan for your downline. Your main job, even when you're showing the plan for your downline, is you're teaching your downline how to do it, because you have to teach him. So this is very, very vital and very, very important. So when I trained these 4 or 5 guys, right, then I trained another second, third line of leadership, because I understood one thing very clearly. Right now, it is my building phase. I'm building this state. I am coming here now. I'm staying here now for 3-4 days, then later a week also, and then at building stage, I even stayed for 12 days, 15 days in a state. I've even stayed so many days in, like this, in not only in Odisha, but in Karnataka, but in Tamil Nadu, but in various other states. So initially, I'm fine. I'm giving this much of time. But after 1 year or 2 years, it will not be possible for me to travel every month and to give weeks, 10 days to any state. At some point of time, my traveling will be reduced. When I will reduce my working, and if everything is depending on me, the working will get reduced. Once the working gets reduced, the work will get reduced, the BVPV gets reduced, and the check gets reduced. That is what happens with the majority of the people. People so many times, they ask me, sometimes they feel like a seesaw, right? They build this stage, this state, this place goes up. Then what they do, they run here, and then this place goes up, and this place goes down. So why are they are not able to maintain the balance? It is very simple, because they have not developed the people. So your first job is to be independent, show the plan by yourself, and your second job is teach your downline how to show the plan. Make them independent. Make them fearless. Don't worry about 1 sign up, 2 sign up, 10 sign up, 20 sign up. No. There is no scarcity of people. Even if for their own practice, if they are not able to sign up 4 or 5 people, it does not matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. Right? Make them confident. Make them go in the field confidence. Yes, they can do it. That is what your actual job is. So I did the same with them. I traveled a lot in that state for 8-10 months. And after that, then slowly I reduced after 1 year. And then they started carrying on, and the momentum went on. Same way I built it to the West Bengal and the so many other places. Now, When after 2 years, 2010, 11, business was, I mean, developed very well in so many places, but Delhi local business was very low, not up to the mark. So at that span of time, when I realized this, I told to my team that I will be doing a program called Train the Trainer. So all the people who want to learn the business, how to present the business, I mean, I will teach by myself. Who guys are interested? Who guys are serious? Okay. So 25 people enrolled for the program. First program I taught, I mean, I taught them about the basics of the business, the basics of the CNT, how to hold the mic, and so many things, and what to say in what slide, what is the importance, and how to say body language, dress, and everything. I did a 2.5 hour session for them. Then I gave them a 2 week time. In that 2 week, they need to rehearse what they learned from me. They need to practice it, and then they came back to me after 2 weeks. So when they came back to me, then they presented the CNT to me, 5, 10 minutes each speaker. And I noticed them, I noted the points. I told them that your body language this is what you were lacking, this was good. This point you were, I mean, you find this point you were not fine. This point was excellent. This was not done. And I gave them the feedback. Then they again went. Then again, the time was given to them of 2 weeks. They again went, prepared, practiced the CNT. They came back to me, the same batch. Then they presented the CNT to me, all 5, 5, 10 minutes each, all 20, 25 speakers. I gave them the marks. The marks on their dressing, on their body language, on the way they were speaking, what they were speaking, everything. And I mean, on the basis on the marks, I mean, gave them the rating, the 1, 2, 3 rating, something like that. So I mean, 20, 25 people, they became, they became the speaker. So they started presenting the plan. They went into the field and started doing the same. Then after some time, 20, 25 days or a month approx, I said, I want to do this program again. Now this time, 100 people enrolled. So same 100 people, the same program, Train the Trainer, I did the same way, like 3 sessions. First I teach, then you come and practice with me. I'll guide you. Third, you present to me, I rate you. Then again, I did this, repeated the same program. Within 3 months, I trained more than 400, 500 people. Then my people said it, I mean, do it in our team, do it in our team. I said, no, now I'll not do. Now we have seen what I do. You go and duplicate in your team. Within 5 months, 5 to 6 months, I mean, made more than 1,000 people independent and showing the plan. When they started going into the field, they started showing the plan and all. The boom came in the business and it started changing everything. Same way, I mean, this is part one. Part two is it is a human nature. People don't want to take responsibility, right? They always want somebody or the other to do the things for them, right? Like one of my team, they came to me and they said that we want one of your VIP program. I said, fine, I can do it, but I have done, I think 7 or 8 VIP program for you guys. Now you should do it, or at least let's do half. You do half, I will participate the another 50%, is fine with me. But after 7, 8 program, why you want me to do the program by myself? Sir, do one thing, do this last program. And they were at that span of time, there were two main leaders in this team, and they were running around about 30,000 rupees approximately a month. I said, yeah, you guys, you can do it on your own. You don't need me for a VIP program. Some program, fine, I don't mind it. They said, sir, our request, do this last time. I said, okay, then my condition is I need a 200 people. They said, okay, sir, done. 200 is not a problem. I said, fine, if 200 is not a problem, then I can do it. But less than 200, please remember, this is I will not do it. I said, okay, fine. On the day of the program, it was some 150, 200 kilometers from Delhi. So I drove, I went there, and I'm in my shorts and I'm in my t-shirt. Okay. So I went there. The 11 o'clock is the program. 9:30 I reached at the venue. So I'm waiting. He said, sir, I said, all set? He said, all set. Okay, fine. So how many people coming? They said, sir, 300. I said, okay, no, it's fine. I'm waiting. 10 o'clock, 10:30, 10:45. There are some 150, 170 people sitting there. He said, sir, 11 o'clock is the time. I said, yeah, 11 o'clock is the time. I know that. But my condition, you remember, I said, I told you I need 200 people. He said, sir, it will be there. Don't worry, when it will be there, then I will change. Before that, I will not even change. So by 11:30, after 30 minutes passed of the time, total 191 people are there. So they requested me to change, to come into the Vestige attire or into the Vestige system uniform. I said, no, guys, sorry, I'm not changing. He said, why? I told you very clearly, I need 200 people. He said, sir, there are 191. I said, sir, 191 is not 200. Even if 199, I would not have done the program. So please understand. Now, so he said, what should we do? I said, now you do the program. You have seen my 7-8 program, right? Now you do the program. So, sir, we can't do. I said, why? Sir, we're not prepared. I said, then be prepared. What it takes to be prepared. You've seen my 7-8 programs. The choice is yours. I'm not doing program. I'm going on a holiday. I'm going on a hill station called Mussoorie. Okay. Now it is your choice. You have paid the rent of the hall. You have paid for the food of the people. You have called the people. You have not fulfilled my conditions. Now you have to do the program. I will not do the program. You have seen my 7-8 program. Maximum, I will give you 10 minutes. I will guide you. If you want some guidance on which point, if you are confused, 10 minutes by watch I will give you. You take it or do it or lose it. It's up to you. So I said, okay, sir, please guide us. So I guided them up. After 10 minutes, 11th minute, I started my car. I went into a holiday. At night, these guys, they called me. They said, sir, I said, yeah. Sir, initially we were very, very frightened. Our legs were shaking. Our hands were shaking. I said, sir, then we started doing it. I said, then, sir, slowly, the momentum started coming up. And when we finished, sir, people went crazy. We did almost like you. And it was fantastic. I said, great. That is what I wanted from you. Now, today, these two guys, they are earning approximately 5 lakh rupees a month. One of them drives Audi. One of them drives Benz. Now, this is what you need to understand what this business is. This business is all about building building business builders. Now, people don't do that. Why? They are afraid. They are afraid that they will not be able to do it. Oh, I can do a great job. Yes, I can do a great job, but my job is not to do a great job. My job is to create the people who can do a greater job than me. That's what actually this business is. I'll tell you another incident. After when business started picking up in Delhi, at that span of a time, there was only one CNT which used to happen in Delhi local, right? When business started coming up, I mean, I started doing my own CNTs once in a week. So initially, I used to do everything same way, right? After some time, the leaders started building up. I taught them up. Then I said, guys, now I will not do the CNTR. You take it over. I will just come in the end, do my testimonial, do some little closing, meet your people, crucial people, shake hands with them. Now this is what my job is. You're okay. After 4, 5, 6 months of doing this, I even backstepped from it. Now see that venue was more than houseful. One CNT was not enough. There were 3, 4 CNTs happening back to back, all time crowded and all. And so many people started, emerging as a leader or developing into a good business builder from that program. And then I understood one thing, that I need to step back from this program. So I purposely stopped going to that program, because if I would have been there continuously, all the spotlight would have been only on me, and nobody would have been able to develop. So I particularly stepped back. I started going once in a month for 10 minutes. And then I arranged, and everything was arranged by me. And then I said that this is, you come in the front, you take the charge, let your people see you, let you be the star, and let me take the backstage. So this is how I developed these guys. And within a span of 1 to 2 years, there was more than 40 to 50 seminars happening over there. Same thing about the seminar. Then I started doing the seminar in Delhi. You can ask Subhaya, he knows all this thing what I'm speaking about. I started doing success seminar in 2011, where I called a leader from outside the state, outside the network, and his job was to give his own story, and then the local level recognition, and then the training by that by the guest speaker. So this I started first time in the Westige. I was the one who started it. And initially, first 1 year, 1.5 year, almost 2 year, I went into the losses, doing it from my own pocket. Right? Some of my leaders said, "Why don't we do it in once in 3 months?" I said, "No, no, don't worry. We do it monthly. Don't worry about anything." So I continued. After some time, and with doing this all TTT and various things, the business picked up. So the momentum happened. I mean, the crowd came. I mean, the gathering used to happen, and then the seminar went houseful. One seminar houseful. Then we did second seminar back to back houseful. Second day, third seminar houseful. Second day, another fourth seminar houseful. Then people started coming to me, "Sir, we need a bigger hall." I said, "Yeah, if you can find, you tell me." But in Delhi, we were not able to find a hall more than 1,200 people, right? So they said, "Sir, what to do?" I said, "Now let's do one thing. Let's decentralize it, guys. Now you are a big leader. Leader, Mr. A, you do it for your own team." I said, "Sir, can I do it?" I said, "Yeah, I'll guide you. I mean, whatever you need from my side will be there. But please start doing your own seminars." This team starts doing his own seminar, becomes independent. Seeing this, then I tell Mr. B, "Mr. B, now your team is too big. I cannot handle. I cannot support the entire team. Rest of the team, they don't get the ticket and so many things. Please, you start doing on your own." So then Mr. B started doing in C and D and E, and then within a span of a year, there are more than 50 seminars happening in Delhi and NCR, and all the seminars are houseful. So that is how I taught them, I taught these guys how to do an event, how to take responsibility in various things. I see so many people, I mean, they are afraid of decentralizing themselves. Why? Because they don't understand the concept of this business. Right? This business is not only you being in the limelight. This business is all about making your people independent, making them the leader, and then give them the stage and tell them that now this is your stage. You go and conquer the world. That is what this business is all about. And move step back, and then just guide them whenever they need you, and then build some other team. These are the formulas which will give you greatness, or which will give you actual passive income. Else, you will be in network marketing, but you will be generating only an active income. So, to generate passive income, this is what you need to do. You need to develop your team. You need to make them independent, and then don't bossify them. I mean, then it is their life. Then it is their dream. Leave them. I mean, independent. Let them travel. Go. I mean, just help them whenever they need you. That is what actually you should do to develop the team. And then, I mean, there are stages, what you need to do at what time. And then, I mean, you need to constantly upgrade, build a culture where you're constantly educating them. And I mean, just build leader at every level. The more presenters you have, the more your business will grow. The more people you have in your team who can do the trainings, the leadership trainings, and the various trainings, the more business you will be able to generate. That is what you should have in your mind. Don't be self-focused. Like in my seminar, I've never put my I mean my poster or my photograph anywhere. Surveyor knows me for so many years. You can ask him. I'm very uncomfortable if somebody gives my very long introduction, or I always tell them, just simply introduce me. Don't use too many words. I don't want 10 kg, 20 kg garland on me. I don't want a shawl. I don't like it. I feel embarrassed, right? But what is my job? My job is to educate or create leaders. So that is what I've done, and that is what you should do if you want to create a great income. Another thing is, what you need to understand is, nobody in this business works to give income to Siddharth Singh. Everybody works for their own paycheck. So in my initial days, I used to see how many people can earn LOB in my team. So I used to monitor my business. Suppose 18th, today is 18th. So I'm monitoring the business. This guy, this line is doing 3,000 right now. This is a 3,000 PV. So this easily can reach up to 5625 PV. Means this guy, Mr. A, can take LOB from this line. So I used to call him, "Hello, Mr. A, focus on this team, because take it to 5625 PV, then you will get an LOB, which will be very good for your paycheck." I said, "Okay, sir, fine." Then my job was, he should take LOB. Why? So that his income grows. Because only and only if his income grows, then and only then he will stay, and then only then he will build. And when his income will grow, he will stay. He will take LOB. I will get a multiple LOB from him, and my income will grow. That is what the simple business is. Similarly, I used to see this guy, Mr. C. His depth is very good. His depth is 20,000 PV, but his side volume is poor. Is having two lines, so he need to have, 1600 PV from the side volume. But right now he's having only 800. So last 10 days he should focus on his side line rather than on the main line. The main line is already developed. So then this guy, when I gave him this feedback, I made him work on the sideline. I made him qualify. So like this, I made qualify so many people. And when they started earning LOB, they started earning well. I started getting LOB from them. They earned a good income. I earned a good income, and the network, it got stabilized. That is what you should focus on. Just focus on one thing. First of all, how many lines you are taking LOB? This is the question you should ask yourself. Suppose you are Crown, but you are earning LOB from only 3 lines. So you need to focus on the rest 3, and at the same time on this 3, it should not be a single LOB. It should be a multiple. 4th generation, 5th generation, 6th generation, maximum people taking LOB. When they will take the LOB, you get LOB from all these people. That is where you get to make a high income or high paycheck. That is what you have come for. So you need to focus on these things. Another thing, what I've done is, I've never focused on the volume. I've never focused on the levels. One thing I've observed is, suppose there is a award ceremony happening in a particular place A. Now all these place A distributors, they want to upgrade their level. If they are star, they want to go to diamond. If they are diamond, they want to go to crown. If they are crown, they want to go to UCT. You know why? Because they want a pin here and a trophy. Now that pin and trophy is fine, but it will not increase your paycheck. Now, and for that pin and trophy, majority of the people, what do? They buy the product. They buy the levels, or they make their people buy the product. What will that level give you? Nothing. Level without depth and without LOB earners will not give you anything. Let me give you an example. Suppose you have 6 lines. You are Crown. You're all 6 lines doing 2001 PV. You will be Crown, pin, Crown, photograph invoice, Crown. Oh, Crown Shield. But your paycheck will be 20-25,000, my friend. Whereas you could be silver with high volume. As a silver, my check was 57,000 rupees, my first month paycheck. So don't run on after levels. Go for the money. And for the money, what you need is, you need the combination of width and the depth. Drive the depth. Focus on people's income in your team. And then and only then, when majority of the people in your team, when they will be earning the high volume, you automatically will be earning a high paycheck. So that is what it is. So many people come to me, they ask me, sir, I have achieved this thing. I have achieved 1% pool, 2% pool, this pool, that pool. My paycheck is very low. And how much is the volume? 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. So I always ask them, what do you expect by doing 3,000 volume? You expect a check of 3 lakh rupees by doing a volume of 3,000 PV? Are you mad? That's not possible. If you want to earn big money, you need to create a big volume. Big volume can only be created by a big and a strong and an educated team, and which works on the right basics. So these are the few of the basics what today I have just shared with you as far as the leadership goes. So practice it and don't depend on somebody. People coming in your network, leaving your network, it is a part and parcel of business. It is part and parcel of life. 20 years before, there were many people in your life. Today, they don't exist in this earth plane. They've gone to another world. Same way, the people who are with you today in your network, 1 year down the line, some of them will not be there. 2 years down the line, some of them will not be there. So people coming and going is part and parcel of life, part and parcel of network. Don't cry on them. continue to focus, continue to build more and more, more and more, more and more, more and more. Focus on developing people, focus on developing yourself. The more you develop yourself, the more you develop your team. That is what your job is. And that is where you will grow. And then you will have the real paycheck, which is what you have come into. That is what I wanted to emphasize today to you. So if you have any question for me on this thing, you can ask me. So this is what I wanted to teach you in this part 1. And then after some time, whenever you say, you can ask Subhaiya sir. I mean, I'll be very happy to come again and again to you. So if you have any questions in this, you can ask me, or anything you want me to elaborate onto, I can particularly elaborate onto that point. So if you want to do that, or Subhaiya sir want to do that, please you can do it. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much for the most valuable inputs. Sir, Nagendra sir. Hello, Nagendra sir.
సార్
సార్ అంటే సుబ్బయ్య శెట్టి సార్ని అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి సార్.
చేశాను సుబ్బయ్య సార్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేశాను సార్.
హాయ్ సార్, సుబ్బయ్య శెట్టి సార్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. హలో సార్.
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ వినిపించట్లేదు సార్ సుబ్బయ్య శెట్టి సార్.
అన్మ్యూట్ కాలేదు.
అన్మ్యూట్ అయింది సార్, ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది.
అయిందా?
అయింది సార్. ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ కానీ
వినిపిస్తుందా?
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే సార్.
చెప్పండి సార్.
సార్ ప్రజెంటేషన్ ఎస్ సార్, అది కొంత ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ చేద్దాము. మీ ఆస్పెక్ట్ లో సార్, అంటే సార్ దీని నుంచి, ఈ టాపిక్ నుంచి కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ మీకు ఏం కావాలో అది అడగండి, నేను ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ అన్నారు కదా సార్. మీ యాంగిల్ లో కొన్ని అడిగి మాకు యూజ్ అయ్యే విధంగా మీరు ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయండి సార్. దీనికి రిలేటెడ్
గా ఏం చెప్పడానికి ఏమేమి ఉందో లీడర్షిప్ ఇది అన్ని కవర్ చేశారు సిద్ధార్థ్ గారు. ట్రైన్ ద ట్రైనర్ చెప్పారు, ఆతంది ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చెప్పారు, ఎలాగ చేశారు, ఎలాగ ప్రాక్టికల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. ఇప్పుడు అది ట్రైనింగ్ కాదు, ఎలాగ నేను చేశాను, నా జర్నీ ఎలాగ అయింది, ఆ జర్నీలో ఎలాగ డెవలప్మెంట్ చేసుకుని వచ్చాను, అన్ని ఆస్పెక్ట్ చేశారు. ఇంక్లూడింగ్ సిఎన్టీ గురించి, సిఎన్టీ సక్సెస్ సెమినారు, ట్రైన్ ద ట్రైనర్, విఐపి, ఇదన్నీ కవర్ చేశారు. ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్. ఈ సిద్ధార్థ్ గారు ఇప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పారు అదని మనం ఫాలో చేస్తే ఐ డోంట్ థింక్ మనకేమి క్వశ్చన్ నాకు కనిపిస్తుంది ఏం లేదు అనుకుంటాను.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ ఒక్క నిమిషం సార్. నాగేంద్ర సార్, ఉపేందర్ సార్, కీ లీడర్స్ ని అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి సార్. ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్ వారి నుంచి, సిద్ధార్థ సింగ్ సార్ నుంచి తీసుకోవడానికి.
ఓకే, ఉపేందర్ సార్. సుబ్బయ్య శెట్టి గారిని ఇది ఒక 10 minutes ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేస్తే నెక్స్ట్ వెళ్ళొచ్చు సార్.
వెళ్దామంటారా?
ఒకటే, ఇప్పుడు సిద్ధార్థ్ గారిది ట్రైనింగ్ అయింది, అది అన్ని ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అని చెప్పారు. నౌ విల్ రిక్వెస్ట్ సిద్ధార్థ్ గారికి థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పేసి, సిద్ధార్థ్ గారు బిజీ ఉంటారు, అతను వెళ్ళిపోతే మన డిస్కషన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
ఓకే, అయితే కీ లీడర్ ఫస్ట్ అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తాను సార్ నేను.
చేయండి సార్.
ఓకే సార్. ఉపేంద్ర గారు,
ఉపేందర్ సార్ని, షాజహాన్ సార్ని, కీ లీడర్స్.
ఉపేంద్ర గారు,
మస్తాన్ వలి.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
సార్, సిద్ధార్థ సింగ్ సార్ ని మనం ఏదన్నా మీకు రిలేటెడ్, దీనికి రిలేటెడ్ గా ఒక క్వశ్చన్ ఏదన్నా అడగాలని అనిపిస్తే సార్ అడగండి సార్. సుబ్బయ్య శెట్టి సార్ దాన్ని సార్ పాస్ చేస్తారు. షాజహాన్ సార్, మస్తాన్ వలి. Hello, sir.
Sir, this is Shahjahan, sir.
Shahjahan garu,
this is Namaste, sir. This is Shahjahan, Crown Director, Power Academy, sir. And today we have received astonishing seminar from our great upline, sir.
100%, 100%.
We are very, very lucky that we are under the leadership and umbrella of our great upline Siddharth Singh, sir.
Correct.
We are very, very happy, and we learned a lot from his practical experience, sir. Actually, the way we are proceeding is not up to the mark, as we have learned today. Today we have learned that we have to create more number of CNT presenters and more number of VIP presenters and more number of seminar presenters. Then only we can build our network. Then only we can build our PVs. Then only we can build our checks.
Correct.
That we learned a lot, sir. And in this aspect, there is nothing to ask, sir.
Naturally, there's nothing, no question. Anni cover chases, sir.
Everything is clear, sir. And, from my side, I'm very happy. And we learned a lot from today's class, sir. We need more number of SARS presentations in future also, sir.
Correct.
So that we can give in a great team, sir.
Perfect. Correct.
Growing like anything, sir. We are growing like anything under the guidance of our great leader, legendary leader Rajesh Kalpala, sir, and Nagendra, sir. Yes, sir. And 100% we are happy. And everyone, we will guide the same thing. We will implement the same thing in our teams, and we show better progress in coming future. This is from my side, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, Subhay Sethi, sir, Shah Jahan sir's goal is creating 100 Crown Directors, sir.
Okay.
So his team name is MCH.
Mission Crown 100 is my team name.
Oh, very good, sir.
Yes, sir. They are going in a right way. Very excellent. He is building, sir.
I am creating more number of leaders as
sir.
I don't agree with your mission. I don't agree with it. Again, you have to understand one thing. If you create a crown of doing 2001 PV, their check will be 25,000 rupees. What you have created? Sir. You have created a poor crown. Don't make anybody crown universal crown. This is the language only which you understand. The universal language of money success. The universal language of money.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if you ask me, anybody earning 1 lakh rupees, less than 1 lakh rupees a month in this business, according to me, they are BPL. BPL is below poverty line. You might have seen the government gives for the poor people rice at 2 rupees kg, the wheat at 3 rupees kg, because they are the poor people. BPL below poverty line. Don't create anybody earning 1 lakh rupees is a BPL networker.
Yes, sir.
Networker. What is Mission Crown? I don't agree with your mission.
Sir, Mission Crown is.
You know, forget Crown. Your mission should be, you should make 100 people or what many people earning more than 1 lakh rupees a month. That is what
yes, sir. Yes, sir. The
pin of the crown, the trophy of the crown will not fetch the ration to that house.
Yes,
the trophy of that crown or the pin of that crown will not pay the school fees of their children.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Forget
yes, sir.
People.
Yes, sir. That's why that's
focus on earning money.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's why our great leader Rajesh sir has given a mission that 100 IPLs, 100 independent power leaders who will create 1 lakh per month. 1 lakh per month, sir. That is the mission given by our great leader Rajesh Kalpala, sir.
Very good. So just focus on earning money.
Yes, sir.
Ask yourself why you came in this business. You didn't came in this business to put some badge here.
Pin or badge. Yes, sir.
No pin or badge. No. You came in this business to earn money. That money will change your life. That money will give you good house, good car, good education for your children, clothes for you, the lifestyle for you, for your parents.
Yes.
Focus on money at the levels.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a great
it's a great
input. Definitely, we will
input, sir.
take that, sir. We will follow that. Yes, sir. Your valuable session, sir. So, Nagendra, sir, please speak, sir. Siddhartha Singh, sir. So, DCD, Nagendra, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, Siddhartha Singh, sir. This is Nagendra from Vijayawada. I am downline of Mr. Rajesh, sir. Immediate to my upline, Rajesh, sir. I am very happy to see you, sir, in our Zoom meeting. I want to request, sir, I request you, give me one day, once in a 3 months, sir, your valuable Zoom training, sir. Once in a 3 months.
Once in 3 months?
Yes, sir. Once in a 3
Sir,
months.
I will give once in 2 months. Why you worry?
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
You don't worry. You just focus on whatever you want to achieve. You just tell me, sir, I am I'm there to serve you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Whatever little experience I have of 22.5 years, I am there to serve you people with folded hands. So whatever I can do, it will be my pleasure, sir. Whenever you require me, please tell Subaya ji, I'll be there with you. Don't worry about anything.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
My pleasure, sir. My only thing is, I want to see all of your paycheck growing.
Thank you so much, sir. Siddharth Singh, sir. 1 minute, sir. Actually, our team is a system team, sir. From the beginning, we are following the education system. But by our bad thing is, we never attend your training, sir. Your most valuable training for the last 6 years. We need now, sir, because we are a very good team now. So they are all very interested to learning, take learning. So if you give 3-4 trainings, definitely we will give a big number of leadership, sir.
Sir,
thank you so much, sir.
I have already told you, I am there to serve you all. Whenever you guys need me, please tell Subaya. He is a very good and a dear friend of mine. We know each other now for more than 22 years. So just tell him and everything will be arranged, sir. Don't worry. And as it is now, Corona also will be finished. And when it will be finished, you invite me. It will be my pleasure to meet all of you. Physically and to meet you. It will be my pleasure. But since that time, sir, whenever you need me, just inform Subaya, sir. Everything will be arranged, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
My pleasure, sir. My pleasure. My pleasure.
Upender, sir. Universal Crown Director, Upender, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, Siddhartha Singh, sir. Good morning, Subhai Sethi, sir, and my great upline, Mr. Nagendra, sir, Rajesh, sir. Very good morning.
Very good.
Sir, I am Upender from Kalwan, sir, UCD. Today's session, wonderful training, sir. This is your practical experience share చేశారు, sir. Thank you so much. Today, so learning మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని చాలా మీ యొక్క ప్రాక్టికల్ మేమైతే చాలా బాగా యూజ్ అయింది నాకైతే మా టీం కూడా చాలా బాగా యూజ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు అనుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, సార్. ఇలాంటి ట్రైనింగ్స్ మా గ్రేట్ అప్లైనర్స్, మా గ్రేట్ మెంటర్స్ 3 months ఒకసారి అడిగితే మీరు 2 months కి 2 months కి ఇస్తానన్నందుకు సో హ్యాపీ, సార్. మేమైతే చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాం. ఇలాంటి ట్రైనింగ్స్ తీసుకొని మేము కూడా ఇంకా గ్రేట్ లీడర్స్ తయారు చేయాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాం, సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, సార్.
Welcome, and my pleasure. Now, next time when any one of you introduce yourself, don't introduce as a Universal Crown or as a Crown or WCD. Just introduce. My name is Raju. My paycheck is 1.5 lakh rupees a month. My name is Nagendra. My paycheck is 4 lakh rupees a month. That should be your introduction.
Yes, sir. Nagendra sir's income is 6.35, sir. 6,35,000. And Upender sir, she is 2,71,000. My check is 3,16,000, sir. So we are creating more 1 lakh plus earners, sir. By November 2021, we are targeting for 1 lakh earners, sir.
Great, wonderful. And when you focus on it day in and day out, see, understand one thing. Wherever focus goes, energy flows. If you focus on earning money and creating the earners or the or the income producers, that is where what will change your life. The level DCD or DUCD will not give you anything. You have not come in this business to earn levels. Forget the levels. So I want to teach you one thing is focus on income. 5 years back, guys, 5-6 years back, I started saying 1 crore, 1 crore, 1 crore.
Yes.
At that time, nobody in this country could even think of it. Now also nobody have done it. So you need to focus on that income. You need to tell your mind where you are, what you want to achieve again and again, guys. And that will change your life. So now onwards, don't introduce yourself as a star, gold, silver, diamond, crown. They are meaningless. They are meaningless word. What is meaningful? The only thing meaningful is how much paycheck are you having? Focus on to it.
Wonderful, sir. Sure, sir. Definitely we will take it, sir.
Yes. So next time, whenever we meet, I don't want anybody introducing himself to me as I am so-and-so, my level in so-and-so. I don't care about your level, guys. I care about the income, what goes in your home. That is what will feed your home. That is what will pay for the education of your children. That is what will pay for your EMI, for your car or for your home or for your parents or any of your need. Focus on money. Don't focus on levels.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Please give us that train the trainers training, sir. So,
sir, that I'll discuss with Subhaya. The problem with that training is, yeah. I'll give you the inputs of it. I mean, I'll guide Subhaya ji and I'll guide the leadership. You can do on your own, because if I do, my problem will be the language and so many things. But I'll give you the entire input and the outline and the guideline, and I will monitor. I will see to it that you are following it. So it will be done. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your most valuable time. So first time our people watching you, so physically, of course, in the Zoom meeting. But we are waiting for your direct training, sir. Definitely we will utilize after this Corona situation.
Definitely, definitely.
It's most valuable time for us. Please give us that training, sir, after Corona. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for your most valuable time, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Nagendra, sir.
Thank you.
Siddharth Singh ji, next month,
yes, sir.
first November 2nd, we have completed 1000 CNCs, 100%, sir. We want your video for us, our team. Thank you, sir. I will.
మీరు బెంచ్ కార్ తీసుకోబోతున్నాడు చెప్పండి సార్.
సార్
బెంచ్ కార్ తీసుకోబోతున్నాడు చెప్పండి. ఆర్టీసీ కండక్టర్ సార్, మా ఇద్దరి గురించి అదే మీ గురించి చెప్పండి. ఆర్టీసీ కండక్టర్ నౌ సార్ సిద్ధార్థ్ సార్. Sir, Nagendra sir and I worked as a RTC bus conductors. Now we are planning to take bench car, sir. Nagendra sir first, and then next I also taking.
Nice.
Yes,
so,
sir.
Both of you will be going to be the Rajinikanth of the network marketing.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
That's nice.
Yeah. So I will make a special video for your team, and the moment you cross 1000 consistency, then I will give you my next date. Done.
Thank
Promise.
you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, next month, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. Subhai sir, thank you. Siddharth